Aliia Roza spent years being trained in the KGB style of the art of seduction, persuasion, and Euro-linguistic programming. She was taught how to seduce any man fast and easy, including dangerous criminals. In this video, we will learn the 5 tips she used to seduce and manipulate countless men during her time as a KGB Russian spy. Her first tip to seduce anyone is to love yourself. She says that you should love yourself and work on building your self-love and self-esteem. Men and people in general will treat you the way you treat yourself. Roza also says that men care much more about a female's personality, charisma, and sexuality over external looks. This is important because in today's internet society, a lot of women and people in general care more about how people perceive them over how they feel about themselves. Work on yourself and become the person you want to see in the mirror. The increased confidence you have will radiate and you will attract more people. This is important in the art of seduction. The second tip Roza talks about is to limit your availability. She says to play to evolution. Men are hunters. If a woman is too available, she won't be as interesting to any man and they won't appreciate her. She states that you should add a bit of mystery to the person you are chasing. The key ingredient to this mix is desire, and it's up to you to create the chase. The third tip is to choose your target wisely. Don't waste your time on someone who will never change. Study your target and make them jump through hoops in order to have you. In the game of power, this is called prizing. In order to make sure you choose the right person, you must test them. If they fail, you can't expect that that person will change in a year. It will be better to appreciate your time and energy and move on than to wait around for a bad target. She also states that you should choose targets that have similar tastes and hobbies as you. Having mutual interests unites people and helps build a solid foundation within a potential relationship. It also means that there are more targets to play with within a smaller space, which makes your target more focused. The fourth tip is to seduce their inner circle. If the family, friends, and colleagues don't like you, the person will most likely not continue a relationship with you. This is essential because in order to become part of someone's inner circle, you must become acquaintances with that person's inner circle. The only way that you can become a part of someone's inner circle without seducing their inner circle is to alienate someone from their inner circle. This is very dangerous and can lead to someone becoming addicted or obsessed with you. The last tip is to not give your heart away so quickly. Before giving your heart away, study a target like a spy. You must collect as much information on them as possible, which includes their previous relationships, their inner circle, interests, goals, and plans. This is because they may not be the right person for you. If you move too fast and give yourself away too early, there is a good chance that you'll end up with a broken heart.